In this video I'm going to show you really quickly how to make a pie chart or just any type of chart really. The basics for doing that inside of Google Sheets. You need to get a Google account and you go to google.com/sheets or docs. There's various different ways to access Google Sheets. But when you go in there, if you have something like this where you have a name of something and then you have a quantity of something and you want to see the percentage of how much you have of something to something, well, the best way to do it is a chart. So what we're going to do is we're going to select our whole area. So we're going to select our names and our number data. And then we're going to go to Insert, and then we're going to go down to Chart. And then when we do that, we'll have this nice chart right here that shows us the quantity of shields to long swords. So we can see that 70% of our inventory is long swords because we have 12, and then shields is 5. So we can do this with any amount of data. You can also resize this chart, right? And you can also do other things like you can customize a chart with various different stylings of the text and things like that over here on the right hand side. So anyhow, that is how you quickly make a chart, pie chart inside of Google Sheets. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.